right, good morning, everyone. It is a beautiful Monday morning in March. The big man and I are taking a very casual trail walk this morning. There's the big man. Ready to go, big man? How you feeling today, buddy? Yeah? Okay, come on, let's go. Oh, okay. Come on, buddy. This is one of our local spots that we come to. Got a park on one side, this beautiful trail on the other side. Got a school off in the distance. Very accessible and very quiet. It was one of our favorites. I'm gonna go this way, buddy. Okay. We can take the high path, we can take the low path. Today, Leo's in charge. So whichever way he says, that's where we go. Oh! What was it, big man? It's about 60 degrees today, this morning, here in San Diego. Good job, buddy. Good leading, pal. Hey guys, if you like our content, please like, please share, please subscribe with your friends. I would definitely share it with my friend. Speaking of which, you ready, friend? Ready to go, lawnmower man? Okay, let's go. Go up the hill, buddy. Come on, pal. There's a school right down there. As is the case with a lot of our walks, it's a trail, it's a park, it's a school. We are lucky to have so many options, and we take full advantage of them. Whoa, buddy, where are you headed? Guess we're going this way. Getting off the path a little bit, buddy. Where are you headed? Let's go up this way, buddy. Okay, come on. Let's go, pal. pal, you wanna go up? You wanna go up? Hey, let's go up. Come on, let's go up, big boy. Keep going, buddy. Come on, let's keep going. Off the path a little bit. We'll be all right. Ooh, what's this, buddy? Do you think you can do it? Think you can do it, big man? Let's try. Come on. Should we try? Oh, nice work, buddy. Good job, pal. Oh, let's go this way, buddy. Let's go up here. What do you think, buddy? That's a dead end, pal. Should we try? Come on. You ready? Come on. Let's go, pal. Find the path, buddy. Find us the path, pal. Ah, good find, buddy. Good find, buddy. Nice job, pal. Leo found us the path back. We are safe. Thanks for this guy. Come on, monkey. Looks like we're backtracking a little bit, but no big deal. I like this trail a lot because this time of day, no one. There's a couple people down at the park, but this trail is completely empty and perfect. And nice running, buddy. Nice running, pal. Come here, buddy. Stick to the trail right now. All right, pal, come on. Get hustle, buddy. I think the big man is gonna take us down to the park now. Like I said, we only see one or two people down there, so he naturally will always head down towards the park when we come to this spot. And I will naturally follow this good boy. Good job, Bubba. Good leading, buddy. Start to hear some kids that they had joined school. Sounds like playtime going on. You ready for a big jump, buddy? Nice one. right. So we came down to the park area. Some people working out. All right, pal, come on. So I think we're gonna just take the slow stroll around the park, maybe roll around a little bit, guys, but we thank you for joining us today, and have a wonderful day wherever you are. Big man, you want to say goodbye? Big man, you want to say goodbye? Again, he's a man of very few words. Thanks, guys.